Academic Maths Nursery 4 Plus, page 9. Dear children, today we will have an activity day. It will cover all mathematical concepts that we learned a couple of days ago. Applying and writing. Write the weight of different objects of same sizes. You see apples and pears placed on two scales here. They are showing the same weight on the scale. Note the hands of scale and tell the weight. Wow, they show 3 kilogram. They have similar weights. Color the same objects with different sizes. You see 3 table lamps here. They look like similar but their sizes are different. You may color them as you like. For example, you may color the biggest lamp in red, the bigger one in green, and the big one in brown, or as you like. Circle the objects which are similar in color. You see 5 roses here. They have yellow, red, pink, and white colors. Your task is to circle the roses having similar colors. So, what are you thinking about? Just hurry up and circle the red roses because they have similar color. Dear teachers, help the children with all activities. Help them understand all concepts they have learned so far. Encourage the promising children and clap for them. Use other interactive techniques to teach concepts to the children. Have a nice day.